We're walking out of the restaurant. We gotta go to Home Depot over there. Home Depot. We're walking out of the restaurant. The food was delicious. Customer service was excellent. Heather was amazing. That was our waiter. Hey, Heather. Yeah.
We could go later to the room. We could go to Burger King and then come back to Didi to run. Okay. I just need to get a gift card right here. Y'all want to get a card? Yeah, I'm going to get it. Here, Mary, put that in there in the car. I'm going to get a gift card. Oh, yeah.
You gotta press the thing.
This is a Nissan or Kia?
The Kia. Oh no, this is the Nissan, not the Kia. Oh. My food. I'm gonna take it to my brother right now.
You do. They supposed to come on the cruise. That's why I keep calling.
Take it to my brother.
Okay.
Take it to my brother and my cousin Winnie.
Alright, love you.
Home Depot. We're at Home Depot to grab something, and we're going to Quality Furniture.
Lightweight on the ground.
Quality Furniture. So my daughter can pick out her bedroom set.
What about that cruise, though?
What about that cruise? I don't know where else we're going. I think they were trying to go to Hobby Lobby or something.
We ain't going on the cruise.
Or Burlington. They were trying to go to Burlington.
She said to send her money.
Yeah, I'm trying to do some hanging out before I gotta go take my son to work. So it's 12:17.
I got a work headache, man.
Alright, y'all, I'll be back.
Yeah.
I want to use all my batteries.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.